So good day po. Today we will discuss the common competencies of the mistake worker in C2. So next please. So from TR to MOI po, yung sa ano po, yung sa basic competencies po, nilagay po na po, pinalitan po namin yun ng common competencies po. Then, yung sa unit of competency, kinuha po namin from TR is maintain an effective relationship with client or customer. Yun po yung kinilagay po namin sa unit of competencies. Then po sa module descriptor, yung nilagay po namin is this is unit covers the knowledge, skill, and attitudes and values required in building and maintaining an effective relationship with clients, customer, and in the public. Then sa ano po sa doon po sa lesson 1, yung kinuha po namin is from TR doon po sa elements, which is yung lesson 1 is maintain professional image. Then yung sa assessment criteria is kinuha po namin sa performance criteria po, which is uniform and personal grooming maintain. Next po is personal presence maintained according employer standard, and number 3 is visible work area keep tidy and uncluttered, and number 4 po equipment store according to assessment requirements po. Next po, like po dun po sa una is yung kinuha po namin from TR to MOI. Yung sa content po is kinuha po namin dun sa required knowledge and required skills po. Yun po yung kinuha namin para sa contents. Then yung sa condition po is kinuha po namin dun sa range, which is yung sa variables po is personal preference po. Sa condition po may 5 po, which is stance, posture, body language, demeanor, and grooming po. And sa methodologies po and assessment methods is kinuha po namin from TR. Meron po siyang group discussion, lecture, role-playing, simulation sa methodology. For the assessment is written examination, demonstration, and observations. And for the lesson 2 is meet client requirements. Same process din po, same process din po dun sa lesson 1 is yung ginawa po namin sa lesson 2 po, which is yung sa assessment criteria. Yun po yung kinuha namin sa ano po sa TR po. Next po. And ganun din po, same process din po sa conditions and methodologies of activity. For lesson 3 po is build credibility with clients. Ganun din po sa lesson 1, lesson 2 is ganun din po yung process na ginawa po namin. Kinuha po din namin po from TR yung nilagay po namin sa MOI, yung sa assessment criteria po, and yung sa ano po yung sa lesson 3 is build credibility with customer or clients. Yun po yung kinuha namin sa TR. Then same din po yung process for procedure doon sa pagkuha namin sa condition and methodologies and assessment methods po. For manage own performance, for lesson 1 is plan for completion of own workload. Dito po is yung kinuha po namin sa Unit of Competencies and Module title is from TR, Unit of Competencies is Manage Own Performance. And yung sa Lesson 1 po is kinuha po namin sa Elements, which is Plan for Compilation of Own Workload. And sa assessment criteria is kinuha po namin sa TR sa performance criteria po. And sa contents po, dun po din po namin kinuha sa dun sa elements of required knowledge po, yung kinuha po namin dun po is from performance criteria din po. For lesson 2, main quality of performance. Same process din po yung sa condition methodologies assessment method. Yung process din po is dun din po kinuha namin sa from TR din po. Lesson 3 is build credibility with clients. Yun na din po yung yung katulad po ng mga nauna po, is same process lang din po yung pagkuha namin ng mga inilagay po namin sa MOI. Galing po din po sa TR kung saan po yun po yung sinunod namin. Yun din po sa methodologies and assessment methods from TR to MOI, same din po, kinuha po din po namin sa TR. So sa core competencies po, ipapresent po siya ng aking group member po, which is si Mr. Banyaga po.
So in the core competencies, first is the lesson outcomes. 1. Clean surface and floor. In the MOI po, so from TR, so from the basic competencies and the unit competencies, so kinuha po namin siya from TR po dun po sa unit competency po. So sa MOI naman po sa modules titles, so the module descriptor po from TR po, kinuha namin siya sa unit descriptor. So in LO1 po, clean surface and floors, kinuha po namin siya sa elements. In assessment criteria po sa MOI from TR po, kinuha namin siya sa performance criteria, and also po sa content sa range of variables po. So pipili po kami doon sa appropriate kung saan po siya yung required knowledge po and the required skills po. Then sa conditions po and sa methodologies and assessment methods from TR po, kinuha namin siya sa core competency in the methodology and assessment approach. Next is the learning outcome. 2. Clean furnishing and pictures. In the learning outcomes po, same process po, kinuha namin siya sa elements. In the assessment criteria from to MOI from TR, kinuha din namin po siya. In the contents po, so same process po. Nagpili din po kami din sa appropriate po yung sa required knowledge and required skills. And also po, the same process po in the conditions po and the methodologies and assessment po. Next is the learning outcome 3, make up bed and cots. LO3 po, make up beds and cots po, kinuha namin siya sa elements. And sa assessment criteria from TR po siya galing. The contents, yun po yung ano, is the wash and iron flow check and lining and fabric. LO, learning outcomes 1, J and search, both lining and fabric. In the assessment criteria po, so kinuha po namin siya sa performance criteria. So, in the learning outcomes po, kinuha namin siya sa elements. In the contents naman po, same process, pumili po kami doon ng appropriate. And next is the learning outcome 2, removes stains. Learning outcome 2, so same process, nasa elements po siya pinuha namin, and also sa assessment criteria, pinuha namin siya from TR sa performance criteria. Contents po, sa range of variables and conditions po. Sa conditions po, yan po, so stain removes. So parang same lang din po sa content. Kung pumili din kami ng appropriate na pwedeng ilagay. And also the methodologies and assessment methods. So in the core competency, yung lectures, demonstrations po. And the assessment methods po, written examinations, demonstration, and observation. Learning outcome 3, prepare washing equipment and supplies. To MOI from TR po, learning outcomes po, kinuha namin siya sa elements. Yung assessment criteria po, from performance criteria po siya galing sa TR po. Lagyan namin po siya sa MO, sa assessment criteria. Now, to the contents po, same process po, appropriate po, pinili po namin yung as okay kung ano ba yung next is conditions and also methodologies and yung assessment method. Next, so the next presenter is Miss Candelaria.
So, good day everyone. So, next one is the prepare hot and cold meal. So, for the LO1, prepare ingredients according to recipe. So, from the TR to MIO, so kinuha po namin yung sa core competency, which is the unit of competency, and modules titles is the prepare hot and cold meal foods. And for the LO1, prepare ingredient according to recipe, and assessment criteria, from TR, kinuha po namin yung assessment criteria for the performance criteria. And the contents is the resource implication. So, kumuha lang kami or sa required skills, which is the cooking methods, handling of kitchen, and etc. And for the condition naman po, kumuha po kami sa range of variables. So, nilagay po namin yung soaking and unfreezing. And for the methodology naman po, which is the lecture and demonstration. And for the assessment method, kinuha namin siya sa assessment approach, which is the written examination, demonstration, and observation. For the LO2, we have the cook meal dishes according to recipe. So, same process po from TR to MOI. So, for the LO2, kinuha po namin is yung sa assessment criteria to performance criteria. For the contents, we have the required skills and we have the cooking method again and handling of kitchen equipment and etc. And for the condition naman po, kinuha namin is yung sa soup preparation, we have the seasoning and shimmering. And for the provide food and beverage service, the first LO1 is cook meals and dishes according to recipe. And the first one is unit of competency and module titles. We have the provide food and beverage service. And for the assessment criteria, kinuha namin sa TR is yung performance criteria. And for the contents, we have the required skills. And dito po namin inilagay sa MO1 yung required skills sa contents. And for the condition naman po, nilagay po namin yung condition sa range of variable from TR to MO1, we have the dining environment. And for the methodologies, lecture demonstration, and for the assessment approach from TR to MIO to assessment methods. For the LO2 setup table. So, same process po from TR to MIO to performance criteria to assessment criteria, contents, from range variable to contents, and from condition naman po, nilagay po namin is yung equipment and methodology and assessment methods. We have the assessment approach, written examination, demonstration, observation. And that's all to sir. Thank you. Okay na? Okay na. Okay na to?